Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca Dances with Pitbulls, and my magic creepy girl mariachi band. Okay, I have something completely different to do today. I don't know if you know this, but when you have a YouTube channel and you make your email address available, you get offers for people to send you stuff and you do videos about them. Well, I got, like, for the magic diamond paintings, I never got into that, so I told them no. Some of them I open them and delete them. But recently in January, look at me with my dirty fingernails. Oh my. I got an email from Molly at Beebeecraft.com. B as in bzz, Beebeecraft. And she said, would you like to collaborate? You would just need to do a couple of videos. We will send you, you can click on our catalog and we will send you some stuff. So I wrote back, yeah, I think I would like to do that. So then she wrote back and said, this is what you do. Make an account. You don't have to put a credit card. You just pick out, X amount of dollars worth of stuff. We'll send it to you, and you make a video of you unbagging it and 2 tutorial videos using the products. I'm like, well, I think I'm in, because I had gone to the website and I did like the stuff that I saw there. So then I saw a video, Crafting Vicky. I will put a link to that video right up there. She did the same thing. She got stuff totally different than what I got. Okay, so I put the order in on January 17th. I got an email confirmation January 18th. Today is February 1st, and my stuff came. My stuff is here. Oh my gosh. I know what I got. And it's packaged really well. So I think it's free shipping over $25. Now, I have never shopped on Wish, so I don't know how that compares. Yep, that's what I ordered. Okay, I got... Oh, this is heavy. Definitely very heavy. Here is the Beebeecraft. Look at this. Did it say how much it was? No, I don't know. I know it all came out to about $40. Look it. I'm rich. I'm afraid. Okay, some of it's in bags, but some of it... These are metal. You know, I was almost going to think they were plastic, but with the way... I love them. I might make some jewelry, but I'm going to glue these. I'm going to be gluing these like a boss. Which also, this... And the boxes are cool. These are also metal things. Look at, oh my gosh. I am so rich. I could make a pair of earrings, but man, I'm going to glue them. We have silver and gold. silver and gold. And what's this called? Bronze. Look how shiny the gold is. Whoa. These are awesome. I'm in love. Okay. Now, this is for gluing, right? But I needed something for crazy quilting. And you're thinking, oh, well, what could they possibly have for crazy quilting? Well, let me tell you. Let me tell you. I got me some puppies. I got me some shiny, shiny puppies. And I think they actually gave me 2 orders. Oh my gosh. I'll have to go back and look at my original thing. Pterodactyl. Triceratops-ish. Some different colors of Stegosaurus. Won't these be fabulous on my wackadoodle crazy quilt? Look at T-Rex. I'm in love. I'm in love. And I got 2 packs. Same. Oh my gosh. I might have to do a giveaway with some of that. Oh yeah. Just imagine. Imagine. He's flying over the tree toward the sun. Don't get too close to the sun. Somebody, I need a different one. Okay. Oh, you could put this on a crazy quilt too. Let's not, who are we kidding? That would totally go on a crazy quilt. Okay, so what else did you get, Rebecca? I got space patches, also for crazy quilts. And I know I have space fabric. I think these were $10. Don't know what that is. An egg planet. Halley's Comet. Lots of planets with rings and some stars. These are fabulous. So you should go to Beebeecraft.com. Beebeecraft.com. Check out their stuff. That's what you could do. You could check it out, right? I'll put a link down below. And oh my gosh. Actually, I think, remember these things? Wouldn't they look fabulous hanging from beaded things with the, oh, I got my first project. Can I only do 2 videos? Can I do more than 2? So yeah. Oh, I'm excited. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm